How to redeem code in Disney Plus. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can redeem code in Disney Plus app. Now it's quite basic and quite simple, so let me guide you through. First, what you'll need to do is head into your phone browser. Now simply head into a phone browser here and then search in for Disney Plus code redeem or Disney Plus redeem code. As you can see, I've searched in here Disney Plus redeem code, and what you'll get list of options here and links. Now head into the first link you can find, the Disney Plus link. You can see redeem your code. It's the official Disney Plus page. Simply open it up, and here unfortunately this service is not available in my region, but if it's available in your region, you'll get an option to redeem your code. You'll get an option where you can paste in your code or type in your code, and you'll get the redeem option there. Simply type in your code and then tap on redeem, and your code will be redeemed. So this way you can redeem your code on Disney Plus. However, make sure to log into your account before doing so. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.